welcome to the random show. Today I will be doing a review on this handmade vending machine. And this one I actually made before the claw machine, so it's slightly less decorated. It's a little bit smaller, but it still works. So let's get right into this video. So this is what it looks like. The prizes. Collect your prize, coin. So first you put in your coins. And then you pull this and then you push it back in. Then you turn this round and back round, so you turn this about 360, and you put your hand in and get ropes. And I got this sandwich, and it's a rubber. There's rubbers in here, but there's one toy that's a light up toy. So now I will show you the inside workings of it. So let's go inside the vending machine. So here's inside the vending machine. I left the lid on for the back, so then it just opens and closes. So when you pull this, the thing falls down into here. Oops. Into here. And then when you turn it, it turns round and falls down here. So that was that bit. And then when you put your coin in, it falls into this little tub in this little area. You can see it. Yeah, just the money. Here's the little tub. And then this area is just to block it off, so then you could reach your hand in and it falls in this bit. And then I put some of this paper in the back, so then because that's what you can see on it. You can see the bit paper. So then for the outside I got blue card, and I done a brick effect, a kind of brick effect anyway, for some of it, and then the rest of it I just done this, and I got a hole in here, and I got a hole in here. I just traced around it first. So yeah, and then so what you will need for this is a shoebox. And I put them in the back of the shoebox that I used because I don't have another shoebox. You will also need some pennies for you so you could measure out the size for the hole. You will also need scissors, a ruler, a pen